What's going on, guys? We're checking out the HD-100A, a rugged small HD POV camera with AIDA's renowned form factor. This camera is perfect for your live streaming needs, delivering full HD video at 60 frames per second. This camera is a popular choice with education, house of worship, podcasting, you name it. We'll leave it up to your imagination. Now let's dive in and take a closer look. The HD-100A comes with a 7.2mm 1/3 progressive CMOS sensor with full HD output at 1920 by 1080. The camera supports frame rates from 24 frames per second all the way up to 60 frames per second. It also supports drop frame like 59.94 and 29.97. You also get 10-bit 422 color space. It comes stocked with its CS mount 4mm HD lens. Remember, the camera has an interchangeable lens design, so you can find other lenses to adapt to your HD-100A. It also supports mic and line level audio over its I/O cable at 16, 24, and 32-bit. Now let's check out this backside. Here we have the iris control port. Right next to that is the I/O port. It also supports RS-485 Visca. Then we have an HDMI output and a service USB port. Now wait, the fun doesn't stop here, guys. Drive your visual inspiration with clarity using the UHD-100A. This little camera is going to take your production to the next level with 4K 30p. Now let's take a closer look. The UHD-100A's got a larger sensor. It's a 7.2mm 1/2.5 progressive CMOS sensor. You get the 4K output resolution of 3840 by 2160. At 4K, you get up to 30 frames per second, and it also supports 60 frames per second at 1920 by 1080. Just like the HD-100, you get that 422 color space at 10-bit, and its interchangeable lens design supports CS mount lenses. You also get mic and line level audio over the I/O cable at 16, 24, and 32 bits. And for the backside, you have your iris control, you have your I/O port, and your HDMI output. Here on the side, you have your USB service port. Bigger sensor, more light, perfect. There you have it, guys, the HD-100A and the UHD-100A, our micro POV series. Remember to get creative with your AIDA gear wherever you are in the universe. Also, remember to tag us and follow us on social media at AIDA Imaging. For more information on AIDA products, remember to visit aidaimaging.com. Until next time, guys, peace.